Hi, I'm Devangshu, and I'm currently doing my master's in cognitive science. And this is my first DIY trek. Initially, I was very apprehensive about the whole thing. I was looking online for a lot of places where gear could be rented, what sort of gear would be required. I was very clueless about that because I haven't done any Himalayan treks before. So that's when I landed up upon Indiahikes' DIY page, and therein I saw that there is an extensive, detailed documentation of what will be provided to me and what all I'll be requiring on the trek. So the navigation kit, the food kit, the safety equipment kit, the trekking gear kit like sleeping bags, tents, microspike, gaiters, food, fuel, and yeah, everything possible under the sky was all well planned and everything, and was given to me at the start at the Indiahikes office. So I think the biggest challenge would be to stay on trail and not lose track of the trail, because especially on the Brahmatal trek, the trail disappears at times. So in times like that, you just can't rely on just the trail that is made already. So at that time like that, when you don't have a trek leader or you don't have a group with you, you have to rely on your map. You have to know how to read the map properly. Water is a big deal because on the trek, when you are not on, like you're completely on your own, just have a liter of water with you. You have to drink very carefully and you have to keep track of which is the next water point, and you have to save your water and ration your water accordingly. It's very simple. You have to be fit. The thing with DIY trekking is you cannot rely on porters or anyone. So you have to carry your load for the entire duration of the trek. And in this load is basically fuel, food, and these add on a lot to your entire weight that you're carrying on your back. So I was carrying around somewhere easily between 13 to 15 kgs on my back. So if you're planning to do a DIY trek, I would recommend that you definitely take care of your fitness, and you should have good physical resilience, and your legs should be very strong.